Hello everyone, welcome to Utthanam. My name is Nidhi and our today's topic for this video is most used verbs in French. Okay, and this is the continuation from our last video. We have already discussed few of French most used verb in our last video. So this is the continuation. So in this video also we have discussed some of them which is most used or in general in general life we can use these verb while speaking French. Okay, then start from for this video. Our first word is couper. Couper, it means to cut. For example, je coupe des pages. Je coupe des pages. It means I cut pages. I cut pages. Je coupe des pages. Okay. Then our next word is parler. Parler. It means to speak or to talk. Okay. For example, je lui parle. Je lui parle. I am talking to him. Je lui parle. Okay. Then our next word is discuter. 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 It means to discuss. Je discute de mon homework. Je discute de mon homework. It means I discuss my homework. I discuss my homework. Okay. Then our next word is pense. Pense. It means to think. Then let's take an example. The example is Elle pense à quelque chose. Elle pense à quelque chose. It means she is thinking about something. Elle pense quelque chose. Okay, you can relate the word and the example with the pictures also. Okay, then our next word for this video is utiliser. Utiliser. It means to use. To use. Example, je utilise mon ordinateur. Je utilise mon ordinateur. Je utilise mon ordinateur. It means I use my computer. I use my computer. Then our next word is trouver. Trouver. It means to find. To find. Example, je trouve mes livres. Je trouve mes livres. Je trouve mes livres. It means I find my books. I find my books. Je trouve mes livres. Then our next word is commencer. Commencer. It means to begin or to start. Example, je commence mon travail. Je commence mon travail. I start my work. I start my work. Okay. Then our next example is terminer. Terminer. It means to finish. Example, je termine mon travail. Je termine mon travail. I finish my work. Je termine mon travail. Then our next word is aider. Aider. It means to help. It means to help. Then example is il m'aide. Il m'aide. Il m'aide. He helps me. He helps me. Il m'aide. Il m'aide. Okay. Then our next word for this video is jouer. Jouer. It means to play. Means to play. Let's take an example. Je joue. Je joue. It means I am playing. I am playing. Okay. Then our next word for this video is bouger. Bouger. It means to move. It means to move. Je bouge. Je bouge. I am moving. Je bouge. I am moving. Okay, this word we can use like moving from one place to another, or moving with a particular vehicle, and like that we can use this word. Okay, then our next word for this video is ahite. 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 It means to stop. It means to stop. For example, je l'arrête. Je l'arrête. It means I stop him. I stop him. L'arrête. Okay. Then our next word for this video is dire or raconter. Dire or raconter. it means to say or tell. Okay, both the word we use in the same sense, dire and raconter. It means to say and tell. Okay, for example, il m'a dit quelque chose. Il m'a dit quelque chose. It means he tell me something. He tells me something. Okay, il m'a dit quelque chose. Then our next word is danser. Danser. It means to dance. It means to dance. Je suis en train de danser. Je suis en train de danser. It means I am dancing. I am dancing. Je suis en train de danser. Okay. Then our next word is nettoyer. Nettoyer. It means to clean. Means to clean. Je nettoie ma maison. Je nettoie ma maison. It means I clean my house. I clean my house. Je nettoie ma maison. I clean my house. Okay. Then our next word is écouter or entendre. Écouter, entendre. Both are the same word, or we can use these two words in the same sense, like to listen or to hear. To listen, to hear. So let's take an example. J'écoute la chanson. J'écoute la chanson. I listen to the song. I listen to the song. Okay. Then our next word is rire. Rire. It means to laugh. It means to laugh. Il est rire. Il est rire. Il est rire. It means I sorry, I forget to change the meaning. It means he is laughing. He is laughing. Okay. Then our next word is regarder. 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 It means to watch or to look. To watch, to look. Okay. Then, for example, je regarde un film. Je regarde un film. It means I am watching a movie. I am watching a movie. Je regarde un film. Je regarde un film. And that's it for today's video. And I'm sorry, there are one of them left. Okay, so the last word is Ouvrir. 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 Okay, it means to open. It means to open. Then example is il ouvre la porte. Il ouvre la porte. He is opening the door. He is opening the door. Okay, so this was our video, and these all are the French verb which is most used while speaking French, or French person, or when you are traveling to France or French speaking country. These are the most used verb which can be used in general daily or day-to-day life. So please learn again and again, revise again and again, so that you are habitual with these verbs and you are confident while speaking. So this will be very helpful for your French speaking or French learning. Thank you so much. If you want to learn with me, or if you like or enjoy my videos, so please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. Okay, so enjoy. Best of luck. Enjoy French learning. Thank you so much. Au revoir. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bye bye.